Sean, just playing in the rain.
Hi guys! You guys probably thought he was dead, but I'm not.
What happened?
I just had a major heart attack because this retard camera guy kept yelling at me.
Me?
Yes, because you kept telling me not to lean over the edge.
Well, I don't recall yelling at you.
Well, you did, dipshit. Okay.
Whoa, Sean, we don't have to start the profanity now.
No, you can shut up.
Whoa, Sean, don't do that. Please.
Okay, well,
You gonna play football?
No, I am later. But, I am going to go do some tricks in the road.
Oh, road tricks, I love it.
Alrighty then. I'll go. Look at the pedestrian.
Pedestrian? Wanna go chase her?
Pedestrian! Want to see me do some road tricks? What's this cool one? Wait, I'm gonna wait for the cars to go by.
Alright. Okay, was that the last of them, Sean?
Okay, now I'll do it.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna go.
Oh God, there's a car coming your way, Sean.
Oh God!
You better watch the hell out.
Okay, I'm gonna leave my football so the pedestrian wants to play. Hey, pedestrian! Wanna play some football? Sure! No, don't get it, I wanna get it!
Sean, what happened, buddy? You alright? You need your inhaler? Oh God, she's stealing your football.